Morning everyone. Today's an exciting day. Welcome back to Mickelson Racing Channel. We've been in tech for 8 hours and the tech line still goes all the way around the track, all the way back here, and there's cars still way over there. We've seen a lot of big hitters today. There's Cooper and Chip, our car there. We saw Cleus McFarland's cars back there. Let's see, Vice Skip Garage is right over here. Mitchell Stapleton's right over here. So lots of Boosted Boys too. Boosted Boys are here, but anyway, saw lots of sweet looking cars, and we're the next to tech in, and we'll see what the day brings. We got the car all stickered up. We just got back from tech. We were in tech for about 8 hours, and it didn't really feel like that. It went pretty fast. It was really fun. So glad we were doing that. But we got the car back, and we just got it all stickered up. So we've already had our Mickelson Racing decals on there, which you guys have seen, and we've got our event stickers right on here, and we got our sponsorship stickers on the windshield here. So that's everything we need to be legal. And we're teched in, ready to freaking rock and roll. So really excited about that. We're getting this event on track. And we hung out with Cooper pretty much the entire tech line. And we actually helped troubleshoot an electrical failure on his car. And so he's got to go get some parts to get that fixed before tomorrow. So anyway, good luck, Coop. But we've got our own problem. This tire started rubbing. And as you can see, it actually pulled the fender out a little bit. And it started rubbing the tire. So you can see we've got some fray marks and stuff on the tire. All this stuff is just kind of eating up just a little bit. So anyway, we're gonna do what we can to get this stuff taken care of. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna pull this tire off and see if we can't beat that in just a little bit. All right, we got the fender rolled, so hopefully we don't cut up the tires. And we're gonna go make a test hit and see what we do. Well, folks, we got the fenders rolled, so hopefully we don't scratch up the tires anymore. Now we're going to go ahead and make a test hit. So we're going to see what we do. We're in DYO, which is Dollar Your Own, for the week, so we'll see what it does. This will be first test hit of the whole week, I suppose. Dang it, this car pulls hard. Again, reaction time is not good in this car. 60 foot, not bad. What do we run? A 1227. 12.2 right there. We're right in that 12.2 at 116 mile an hour. A little more mile an hour than yesterday. Again, this car just pulls so hard up top and it doesn't stop pulling, which is pretty crazy, freaking awesome. What do we got here? 196 60 foot. 196 60 foot is just drives me freaking crazy. We are it is, I don't know, 3:30, maybe 4 o'clock. So we are in the heat of the day here in Florida, and the heat of humidity too, I would also like to say. So really that's not going to help our time. And when we're competing here in Sick Week, we are going to be racing in the morning, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So a little better weather that way, probably more humidity, but temperature wise it should be a little better. Evening time is probably the best time to race. Alright folks, we're going to go make a second test hit real quick. Just got to see if we're consistent or trans is shifting good, we don't know. So we're just going to go make a second test hit real quick and see what happens. This thing pulls hard up top. Golly! Wow. For cheese and rice. A little better light this time. I tried to. It was actually twice as good, or do you say half as good? Not really sure. It was great. 400 light, as the last one was 800 light. It's a 400 Pro tree. Is the way they're doing it. So I've never raced a 400 Pro tree. Anyway, 2.0 60 foot, way slower on the 60 foot. Interesting. It could be from staging. What do we do? A 12.2 again at 116 again. Fairly consistent, so we're happy with that. Well, we ran two 12.2s in a row. We ran a 12.2, I don't even remember, and then a 12.2.7. So we're fairly consistent. The 60 foots were way different, which is confusing. But anyway, we made our 2 test hits. We're happy. This thing pulls hard on the track. We're good to go. We're going to load up all of our stuff now in the car. That way we don't have to do it tomorrow morning. And then we're going to head over to the party at the Freedom Factory and then just enjoy life for a little bit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe right here in the corner of this video. And we'll see you next time on the Mickelson Racing Channel. Folks, we're at the freaking Freedom Factory in the